Okay, let's have a look at this one, shall we? Write a function to find the longest common prefix string among an array of strings. If there's no common prefix, return an empty string. Easy enough, so flower, flow, flight, all start with FL. Dog, race, car, car, no prefix, so empty string. And a bunch of boring constraints. Alright, we can do this. Right, let's pop this one just into Linq for us. And let's create a program. So we got a var c equals. Oh, is that not? How do you do? I'm really bad at this. How do we do array list rules? In like that? No, it's not. Oh. Professional programmer that I am, I don't know how to write code. New like that. No, like that. Okay. First step, write valid code. And I mean, there's an easy way to do this. We could just go something like for int I equals 0, I is smaller than sc0.length, so smaller than the length of the first one, and then we're going to say, oh no, wait, let's break I out into that out above the loop, so we're going to say for each var s in C, so for each individual substring, each individual string in the string array, Jesus. Okay, we'll check if the character at I is, what are we doing? We're checking if they're all the same. Okay, so we'll start at, we're going to skip the first one, so we'll skip flower, and we can say if si not equal to c0i, so if the position of the letter at the position 0 is not equal between these two, and it's not equal between this and this one, then we break. Then, oh wow, okay. Then we break. We don't want to break though, we want to, can we use it goto? Does goto work? Here. Goto here. We need a semicolon. I do need a semicolon, okay. Yeah. So, if the character is not equal to the character in the first string, and we break and the length is, so we can then say c0.substring starting at 0 and the length is I, we'll just call it dump, we'll call it prefix. And it's probably going to crash because the length of flow is more than what? Oh no. Oh, it didn't work. Oh man. Oh, so we need to do S. S is R. We should call them better than S and C. But there we are. Oh, it still doesn't break. Why doesn't that break? If SI is not equal to C. Oh, I see, because we're stopping at I, which is before the end of flow. Okay, but if we had an FL like that, I expect it to crash now because it's gonna, yeah, because we're indexing something outside of that. So we can say something like if s.length is greater or equal to I. Let's go to here. Go to here. Oh, what? If s.length is, oh man. I've done this completely. I'm really bad at programming. If I is smaller than s.length. Oh no. I is greater or equal? I could just use equals. So they're going to be greater than or equal to. Okay, we are now FL. That works. That works. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Cool. Paste that in. Let me paste it in. Return. What we're returning. Seed or substring, something like that. That one. And obviously it's formatted it really badly. Okay. Let's run it against our 2 test cases. And it errored. Why did it error? C does not exist. Oh, because they've called it something sensible. They've called it strings, whereas I've called it C. So that and update that one too. Try and destroy it. Oh no. C. Oh, there as well. Yeah. Cool. There you go. Let's just submit. I'm assuming it works, but I think there's an easier solution using Linq. What I'm going to do, let's keep C where it is. Let's call it strings though. We're going to say enumerable dot range, and then our range is going to be strings dot select. I'm going to select the length of it, and then we're going to do a max. Does it be 0 to that? 0 to that. We've got enumerable dot range dot. I want to select like all of the first letters, then all the second letters, then all the third letters. So select x goes to strings dot select y goes to y x. Cool. Then I'm going to call it, no, I'm going to say distinct here. Dot select. So we have an array of arrays, but we can get this down to how many characters are in each array. So we go where x dot length, x dot count equals 1. And we're going to take while x is true, and then we're going to count. So we're going to say bar prefix size equals that. I think we can just say strings 0.substring 0 to prefix size dot dump prefix, and bin off all of this. Obviously a weird solution, but Oh no, it failed. Why did that fail? Dot select. Oh, okay. Not doing dot max, but I always do dot min there. There you go. That works. Let's use that. That's a lot better. A lot more fun. Cool. So copy all of this. Pop it into here. Okay. Delete. Delete. Return. How's that look? Oh, that needs to go down. The rest of them needs to go up and ended. Like that? Yeah. Let's run that. Hey, I'll submit that. Oh, this one worked as well. That's good news. It's handy. Yep, all good. Oh, it is like super slow. Oh well, it's linky. I like Linq. Cool.